Hello folks, my name is Michael Mara, coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I want to take you through our 2018 225 XSF Scout, the 22-foot center console. To come a little closer, we'll just hop aboard the boat. As you can see, it's powered by a 200 Yamaha XCA. XCA is the digital version of the 200 horsepower outboard. As you come on, you'll notice the teak swim platform with the swim ladder here on the port side. Has an easy entry. You can walk down. You can see that back bench folds down, so it's easy on and off. All right. So walking up to the bow, you'll notice there's plenty of room as you're walking forward. You don't have to sidestep. You can just walk straight through, and you'll see the nice layout Scout has given you with the creature comforts of the back bolsters, stores underneath both seats here. I'll just show you this side. Nice and deep. So as you come around, you're going to notice the forward seating on this boat. Take a look at this cooler. It's huge. Huge. You can put all your beverages, your fish. It does drain. Whatever you need, but there's a lot of room up here for a 22-foot boat. So as you come around this side, on the port side of the boat, look at the size of that head. We have a nice porta potty in there. Easy access to all your electronics and anything that you may need to get to behind the console. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the console. So the boat is powered again by a 200 horse Yamaha. That is our digital throttle system, okay? We have the Edson tilt wheel, okay? We have the Lanco trim tabs. All your switches are here and up top. Notice all the LED lighting that Scout puts in. It's nice in early morning or late in the evening when the sun's not as high. Plenty of room to add any kind of electronics that you may like. Very easy to install. Everything we can run right from the back of this panel right here, make a nice cutout. So right over here, look at the size of this live well. You guys do a lot of fishing, you can put bunker, minnows, any other live baits that you use, or if you don't fish, you can plug that hole, fill this thing up with ice, and off you go. So a little bit more about this seat. So when you maybe taking a little bit longer of a run and you want some of the creature comforts, you just simply put it in place, sit 4 people across that boat, across the stern of the boat. See the rod holders? We do have recessed cleats on both sides. You can ski off this boat with a yoke system. We do have it set up in the back. And then if you go through the boat, there's plenty of storage. You have a USB port and a 12 volt right here. If you have any questions about this boat, my name is Michael Mara. Give us a call at 609-926-0600. You have a great day. We'll see you on the water.